It's your boy Angelo Savage here, man, and we got a video today. It seems like Teyana Taylor, she's been ordered to pay her ex-husband, Iman Shumpert, $70,000. Yes, I guess they were supposed to keep their relationship under wraps, right? And they didn't. So let me play this video real quick. We're gonna see what it do. Let's go.
Alrighty, guys. So there are reports circulating right now about Teyana Taylor and Iman Shumpert. So according to those reports, and what I've actually been read from court documents, Teyana Taylor has been ordered to pay Iman Shumpert $70,000. It's just covering legal fees, but here's the breakdown and to provide more clarity on what is happening. So there has been a lot of back and forth about Teyana Taylor and Iman Shumpert. There have been claims, from Iman that Teyana Taylor has withheld the children and, the custody. There's been custody violations and things of that nature. In court, specifically for what this ruling was, none of that stuff was addressed. Well, it was addressed. Basically, the court said that that didn't happen. There's not enough proof to show that Teyana Taylor violated anything when it comes to the children or anything custody related. But what they did determine was that, and it was based off of like procedures. So when Teyana Taylor and Iman Shumpert got their divorce agreement
Right.
all that time ago, we talked about what that agreement was. Within the agreement, it was agreed upon that neither party was supposed to talk about what the terms of that agreement was.
Right.
But there were stories leaking around that time about, Teyana got this, Teyana got that, Iman got this, Iman got that. So Teyana Taylor got on Instagram Live to defend herself,
Right.
to be fair, and to talk about what actually happened because things were spreading like crazy. That Instagram Live, and I have the audio if you guys want to hear it. That Instagram Live, a judge said, okay, because of this live, you were procedurally in a violation. So
Yep.
we're going to allow you to pay his attorney's fees. Now, altogether,
Slap
the
on the
judge
wrist.
looked at everything that Iman spent going back and forth about, did he leak stuff to the press or did he not? And the judge did determine, just based off what was provided by Tiana's team, that there was not enough provided to say that Iman actually leaked information about the divorce to the blogs. But they basically said, okay, he's asking for all of this money for his attorney's fees, looking at who makes what. Like, we're looking at what Teyana Taylor makes. We're looking at what Iman makes. Because of how much she makes and because she can afford to pay it, we are going to award a certain amount for her to be able to pay, which is that $70K. Originally, though, he had asked for $121,000, but they broke it down and they itemized each number and said which ones actually apply to this case, this actual not case, this actual claim, the claim of did you leak the information to the blogs or not? And that's how they came up with the number. But to be fair, I think it's being reported right now as if Teyana Taylor completely, did all these things and was found in wrong of all these things. And the only thing that, to be honest with you, the judge found here was that she got on live and discussed how she felt, or not even how she felt, but she clarified her side of things back in March.
Somebody break this down to me in simple terms. I don't know what the hell is going on.
So basically, Iman want
good.
her to be able to pay $70,000 because
Girl,
she
do
has to
that
feel
at
like she
home.
violated the terms.
Correct.
That she wasn't supposed to go online. But he's the one that made she wanted the whole thing to be a secret, but he went and submitted their names. Like he the one that leaked the names, right? You said they couldn't find evidence of him doing.
Look, just hilarious be coming to work looking like anything. Look, this is the Breakfast Club. Everybody professional, even Lauren LaRosa that's at home. She looking decent, I guess, at least presentable. This girl got the eye patches under the eye. She is not a morning person, everybody. So just so you know, Just Hilarious is not a morning person, even though she's on the Breakfast Club. That being said, I don't like hearing her voice. I feel like, honestly, she's the person on the Breakfast Club that knows the least. And they put her on there for comedy, but she's not really funny. Anyway, for this aspect, basically, yes, she in violation because she went online because it was roaming around the internet that this is what he was getting whoop-de-whoop in a divorce. Because when she divorced him, he had to pay hella money, had to give up all this stuff, and she had to give up nothing. So basically, she made hella money while he was doing it. He made money from his acting career and all that. Basically, he had to give her like a bunch of cribs, a bunch of cars, pay child support, and she basically was making hella money too during that time. But she didn't have to pay nothing. And then when they basically she started arguing on the internet about how she was Because I remember she was doing this. She started arguing on the internet about, oh, this is what really happened. Those are really my houses. Wooty woo. We paid into it. Why can't I have it? We were married. Wooty woo. You know, the marriage shit. And it's cool, but the terms of the agreement of the divorce is to non-disclosure. And somehow you disclose this. So that eventually Iman Shumpert, because he looked like a fool online. Like, damn, we told you not to get married. You got married. Or you were in a good relationship. You got married and it ended like most marriages be ending. For real, like the woman takes it all, child support, and even though she making hella money too, it don't matter. So in that aspect, it made it seem like he's taking the butt end of the stick. That being said, sure, she must pay at least the lawyer fees. Come on, she didn't even want to pay that. She was supposed to pay more. She didn't even want to pay the simple lawyer fees because why? She was telling the truth. That's cool, you was telling the truth, but you wasn't supposed to do that. That being said, then it's your duty to pay the repercussions of your actions. You can't be ousting that information because it does make him look like a fool for real. It make him look like, okay, she making way more money than you. You make your decent money acting now from basketball. Now you're not doing basketball no more. You acting on The Chi. He did a good role in The Chi, by the way. And he doing skits and shit online all in Chicago. So it makes sense that, you know, y'all both paying off something, but like maybe y'all should have just came to an equal ground. You get this crib, I get this crib. You get this car, I get this car. Cool. And we just split child support. Because I don't understand the child support system. It's just so confusing. And the reason why it's confusing because it's like if we both in each other's life for the kid, I don't think child support should be given to anybody. I think you take care of the kid while you're with the kid. I take care of my kid when I'm with my kid, and we split the time, right? Because why would I have to pay you when you making what I'm making? That's why I was confused about the Kanye West shit. Like Kanye West had to pay, he paying like $250,000 a month type shit for the 4 kids. But it's like, ain't she richer? Why is he paying child support when he sees kids as much or not or more than she is, and he got to pay her? It's weird, bro. This system needs to be changed, or men just have to stop having sex with women, but that's not logical, right? Yeah, I can't wait till that male birth control come. I tell you that, you hear me? I'm getting it. I'm gonna be the test dummy in that motherfucker. Hey, facts, because it's just looking weird. I got a video coming soon about Travis Hunter. I just want to make sure all the information is straight, man. She ain't been married to this man 3-4 months, bro. Already trying to get his $40 million deal from the Jaguars. Come on, bro. This is a thing that's been going on for a little bit too long, man. Y'all, man, men acting foolish if y'all don't know what's going on, man. Protect yourself at all costs. Decentivize them to leave. Fuck. We're not going to incentivize them to leave. Decentivize. You know what I'm saying? If you leave, this happens. Fuck. We're not playing games. If you care about your wealth, of course. But y'all tell me what y'all think about this whole situation about Teyana Taylor, because everybody thought she was with what's his name? Pierre, Mufasa, what's his dude name? Yeah, they thought just because they took a picture together, which I did another video on that too, because Teyana Taylor, after all this came off and she got a divorce settlement and everything, got the money, she started taking pair with a Saint Pierre Mufasa, whatever dude name is, light-skinned buddy from UK. Yes. And then I was talking about how they wouldn't be a good couple because she from the Bronx, she straight hood and gutter, and dude from the UK. Nice family, whatever. But he well-established, high roles in the production. You know what I'm saying? It would have looked nice, but I doubt that would have been a good relationship. Of course, it wasn't, of course, right? It was not a relationship. It's just some pictures and shit. But, you know, people jump on the Teyana Taylor bandwagon like, oh, well, look, she already got her replacement. And this dude that's younger than her, light skin, got money, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, let them live, man. Like, some girls going bunny hop, let's just say. Or monkey branch. It's your boy Angelo Savage. Tell me what y'all think about this in the comments section. Is she wrong for what she doing when she out trying to make the case clear? So basically when she went online, she tried to make her basically her personality like, this is actually why that I took because of this, whoopty whoop. But you wasn't supposed to say that, so that's violation. So since it's violation, you must pay. Should she have paid or should she not have paid? Y'all gonna tell me that in the comment section for sure. But while y'all do that, make sure you click to your left side and it's gonna be the like button. Y'all hit that for me real quick. And don't forget to subscribe, because it's your boy Angelo Savage. Peace. Let's go.